focus onto the big developing story, viewers. In just about any time now, we're going to be hearing from the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, and the topmost question that in all probability would be asked of the Education Minister today is, will action be taken against the NTA, the National Testing Agency? Student community on tenterhooks, the Education Ministry action on what has been a massive letdown where the NEET examination is concerned. Just about any moment, we're going to be hearing in from the Education Minister. He's going to be holding a press conference. There's been a lot that has gone down, especially in the last 48 hours, viewers, because while the controversy over the NEET examination was only peaking on the sidelines, the government admitted, and today in a press briefing, the Education Ministry also said that they need to now cancel the NET exam, the NET exam, the NET exam which had taken place just 2 days ago. They have cancelled it. It's a national entrance test examination, basically for those who appear to be who want to get the position of assistant professors across the country, as well as PhD scholars. And that exam, which takes place twice a year, was cancelled because the government has feared that there was a paper leak, and now the investigation will be handed to the CBI. Now that impacting on already a raging controversy over the NEET examination, putting a very unfavorable spotlight on the National Testing Agency. We've heard just suddenly, just about 40 minutes ago, that Dharmendra Pradhan is going to be holding a press conference. There are many aspects to what is developing, viewers. There's one legal aspect, because the Supreme Court has come down heavily on the NTA as well as the government, and saying they will not even allow a 0.001% if there is doubt on how the NEET examination was conducted. They will not even allow that to pass. On the other side, students have taken to the streets across the country today. You had SFI, Students Federation of India, as well as students from the Delhi University, all come in front of the Education Ministry and asking that the Education Minister disband the NTA. What can we expect from the Education Minister? Joining me live is my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, who's been tracking the story very closely. Amit, we're going to hear in from the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, anytime now. It's a last-minute announcement of a press conference. Will heads roll? Will big decisions be taken? The spotlight now is on the NTA, the National Testing Agency. The government has already admitted the examination of NET is cancelled because they fear a paper leak. The CBI is also involved now. What can we expect?
Preeti, there are several questions, as you were mentioning, as well as far as the NEET examination is concerned. And initially, the ministry might have thought that this matter will settle down, calm down as the day progresses, and the legal battle will continue in the Supreme Court. But unfortunately, what has happened is that, in fact, the protests across the country has snowballed, and almost every opposition party has jumped into the fray, targeting guns at the central government, seeking NEET examination as well as cancellation of the present examination, and thorough probe into this entire matter, as to how and why these irregularities happened. Earlier today, the Joint Secretary of the Education Department did held a press conference. Now, what is expected is that when Dharmendra Pradhan speaks, number one, concrete assurance needs to be given by the government, so as to whether the Union Education Minister will be handing out that assurance to the NEET aspirants. That is something on the cards. Number two is that as to how and what kind of probe is going to happen, because even today I met several of the NEET aspirants who had gone to meet Rahul Gandhi, and when they stepped out, remember, these are very difficult exams and these students go through a lot of examination pressure, and the Prime Minister also realizes that when he does Pariksha Pe Charcha. But this particular NEET irregularities and the questions looming large on the way NTA conducted these examination is something that is concerning these students even more. They are saying that, look, UGC NET examinations happened and the government believes there was the sanctity of the exam was compromised. Immediately within 2 days the exam was cancelled. Why such decision was not taken in case of NEET? This is something, a major question that the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan would be aware of as well, and is he going to respond to that? That's also something that we are looking forward to. And again, even these students who have gotten ranks right right now, near 500, they are saying out and out that we are ready for re-examination. We understand the pressure, but despite that, we want a re-examination to happen on NEET. So all those aspects, we are waiting for Dharmendra Pradhan as to whether he is going to give reassurance. A re-examination is something that they are considering, and what kind of probe is going to happen. Back to you.
Well, it's very interesting because one thing that students as well as educationists, academics have been wanting is a thorough investigation and audit of the National Testing Agency, the NTA, on how exactly what went down in terms of what has been the biggest sticking point where the NEET examination is concerned. And that has been a massive inflation in the top ranking position. 720 out of 720, 67 students or those who appeared got that position this time around, while the last time around there were only 2 people who scored cent percent. Lots of questions, discrepancies. How is it that only certain centers have seen about 6 to 7 people or students scoring a cent percent mark? You know, in terms of what now, the courts had already stepped in. There was a recalibration which said that we're going to take away the grace marks because there have been grace marks that have been awarded. The students also questioning on what basis have certain grace marks been even given to the students. We're going to get into all of that. But today, shifting focus from NEET to NET, the National Entrance Test, which was scrapped by the Education Ministry, saying that there was a leak. This happened 2 days ago, and even this test is held by the NTA. Listen in to the Education Ministry Joint Secretary today, Mr. Jaiswal, on when he said that now a thorough probe is going to take place, and that probe is going to be handed over to the CBI to be conducted.
Bihar Economic Offence Wing is already doing the investigation. When Bihar is doing investigation, we are relying on their input and we have sought detailed input. काफी उन्होंने information मांगी है, NT ने share किया है. Ministry has also sought detailed information from them. Once we receive the detailed input from Bihar police, we will take action, and that action will be completely commensurate to the input which they provide. Because we should leave all this matter to agency who is having competency to investigate the matter. 19 जून को UGC को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर के इंडियन साइबर क्राइम सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर I4C से कुछ इनपुट मिले. उस इनपुट को प्राइमा फेसी देखने से मिनिस्ट्री को ये अपीयर हुआ कि देयर इज अ चांसेस दैट एग्जामिनेशन हैज बीन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. टू टेकिंग अ वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट एक्शन एंड विथ अ एम टू इंश्योर स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट, द मिनिस्ट्री हैज डिसाइडेड टू कैंसिल द एग्जामिनेशन. और इसके साथ ही मैटर को CBI को भी रिफर कर दिया गया है, ताकि जो भी पॉसिबल अगर कोई ऐसा इन्वॉल्वमेंट है तो सभी लोगों को उनको खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जा सके. मिनिस्ट्री इज कमिटेड टू इंश्योर स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट एट ऑल लेवल, एंड मिनिस्ट्री डज नॉट एंड विल नॉट हेजिटेट टू टेक एनी एक्शन अगेंस्ट एनीवन इफ फाउंड इन्वॉल्व इन एनी मैटर विच इंडिकेट द कंप्रोमाइज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. आप देखिए NTA इज ऑल्सो न्यू एजेंसी, 2019 से काम कर रही है. इन 4 year एक्सपीरियंस दे आर कंडक्टेड मोर देन 1 crore स्टूडेंट एग्जाम, जो दुनिया की सेकेंड हाईएस्ट नंबर है. फर्स्ट गांव का है विच वी आर अबाउट टू क्रॉस. इतने बड़े एग्जामिनेशन को कराने में वी टेक input from different stakeholders, especially students. So every examination we improve based on the input received from different stakeholders. कई बार आप input लेते हैं and then you change the pattern and then the system, अगर आपको दूसरा, those things should not be linked. But if any accident happen, that should not be completely attributed to that change. That's what I am saying.